everyone, it's Gabriella with Beating Type 1. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a little tip, trick, and a little bit of IV fluids on gravity learning. And then I'm going to also show you how to push a med through a Y port when you have fluids going on gravity. So I have my fluids on gravity right now. I'm flowing. You can determine the exact rate if you count the drops for 60 seconds, multiply that, and then you get your rate per hour. So, that was one thing I wanted to share. I also wanted to share that I went to the cancer center yesterday, and I had my needle changed, and the nurse there was awesome. Again, first stab, no lidocaine, nothing that time because I didn't have time to do the lidocaine. But the nurse there was like really good, and she got it done like all in less than 10 minutes. It was awesome. So anyway, now I'm going to show you how to do the push through the Y part. If you can kind of see, there's like an outer circle and then an inner circle. You're going to want to make sure you sterilize the Y connection point. And I did also scrub it with alcohol, and then I was like, oh, I'm going to do a YouTube video, so I got another one. And so, but you want to, the rule of thumb is like 10 to 15 seconds, depending on, whatever. I already drew up it. This is my anti-nausea medicine. So I'm going to just kind of push it, once it's primed. Take off the cap. And something that can be helpful is if you're someone who's like nervous, you might not get the right angle, and when you go in, you might poke the wrong thing. If you kind of like find this technique and to kind of support your inserting hand, that might help. It helps me a lot to make sure I always get like the target spot and vials and stuff. So, alright. So there we go. Now I've lined it up and it's a little bit in. I'm going to go all the way in. I'm all the way in now. And now I'm just going to push this med over just very slowly. Very slowly. Can't push this too fast, or else it makes you like feel awful. So I just push it slow, and then So the needle is so like it can go through the thing, and then this is on gravity. Usually in the hospital, the Y-intercept part will have like, it'll be kind of like where you could screw something else in, like a screw top, like a screwing connection point like that, because like this is like screwed in to my blue part, which is the connection point that then goes down in the tube into the needle that's in my body, and that goes to my superior vena cava, SVC. So I'm going to be pushing this very slowly, and I might end up only doing half because it is really hitting my system hard. No, okay, I just have to slow down a bit. It can be very, very, very highly effective when you push something. If it's diluted in a certain way, it might be stronger than if it's straight up. So this is one of those things where sometimes diluting it makes it stronger, lasts a little longer. Yeah, I know. That was one of my favorite ones I started as. So, alright, so I went ahead and that's all pushed. I'm not going to flush through because the gravity is doing that for me. So, that is it. So then I just dislodge the needle out, and then I'll put this right in the sharps. Well, hopefully you found that video helpful, interesting, and comment, rate, subscribe.